This will happen to your body once you consume turmeric on a daily basis. Turmeric or haldi is an herb found in southern and eastern Asia, where it is not only used as a spice but is also widely used in Ayurvedic medicine. Its power lies in its strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It contains a powerful antioxidant called curcumin. Everyday use of turmeric is very beneficial for health, but prolonged use can cause gastric distress. In today's video, we will discuss about 13 health benefits of turmeric. Number 1. Fighting atherosclerosis. Curcumin in turmeric deactivates PAF, platelet activating factor in the blood, which plays a role in plaque formation by cholesterol in the walls of the vessels. Turmeric can help to prevent atherosclerosis in diabetes and can also stop proteins lost from the kidneys. Number 2. Relief from bursitis and carpal tunnel syndrome. Curcumin deactivates the cell of the immune system that cause inflammation while keeping the ability of the system to fight infections intact. Number 3. Cancer treatment. Curcumin can kill cancer cells and shrink tumor size. It can also drastically reduce the incidence of oral and tongue cancers, which results from exposure to chemicals. It can cut down the sun and chemical-induced skin cancers. It has been shown to increase survival rates in melanoma and colorectal cancer. It also prevents the tumors from metastasizing elsewhere in the body by inhibiting PAF that is necessary for the formation of new blood vessels, a prerequisite for tumor seeding. It also prevents cancer by inhibiting P450 enzymes in the liver that metabolize precarcinogens to carcinogens. Number 4. Preventing cataracts. Most people in their old age develop a cataract in one or both eyes that lead to blindness. This can be prevented by the use of turmeric, which contains curcumin, an antioxidant which scavenges the free radicals far more actively than vitamin E. Free radicals are responsible for the cross-linking of proteins in the lens that over time leads to cataract formation. Number 5. Gallstones. Liberal use of turmeric prevents cholesterol crystallization in the gallbladder, which leads to gallstones. Turmeric also increases the production of fat and sugar digesting enzymes in the gut. Number 6. Liver cirrhosis. Cirrhosis results from insults to the liver by various environmental toxins. Turmeric blocks P450 enzyme in the liver and thus prevents alcohol and other toxins from being metabolized to their more harmful forms. It can also reverse the damage caused by excess iron absorption. Number 7. Arthritis. Arthritis is a painful and disabling inflammatory condition affecting the joints, which can be treated by turmeric, which has anti-arthritic and anti-inflammatory properties. It is as effective as steroids and has no side effects. Number 8. Oral health. Turmeric fights gum inflammation by inhibiting the gene responsible for producing irritants. Now, the bacteria have no place to attack and grow, and thus turmeric can prevent bad breath and periodontal disease. Number 9. Improving digestion. Turmeric can treat stomach ulcers, gastric irritation, indigestion, etc. through sequestration of free radicals that can stimulate the release of histamine. It also stimulates bile production. Number 10. Preventing heart attack. Turmeric can prevent heart attack and also reduce the damage to the tissues when the attack occurs. It relaxes body vessels to maintain good blood supply to the heart and also prevents atherosclerosis that predisposes to a heart attack. Number 11. Soothing inflammation. Turmeric is very effective against chronic inflammation in the body. Number 12. AIDS. Turmeric can block the progression of HIV to AIDS by blocking viral replication and the integration of the viral genome into human DNA, which is necessary to bring about the devastating effects of viral infection in the human body. Number 13. Brain health. Turmeric can increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a type of growth hormone in the brain that plays a role in the renewal and multiplication of neurons. Deficiency of this can cause Alzheimer's and depression. Use of turmeric can delay and even reverse the brain damage and age-related decline in brain function.
Anyways,
Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today. Thank you. Have a nice day.